Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Netflix. The report was first published on our website February 4, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video, we give you the information you need to know about Netflix for the upcoming trading day on Monday 7th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price-to-earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Netflix performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Netflix stock currently holds a -6.089 score, and our system has ranked Netflix sell candidate since December 31, 2021. In this period the stock has had a loss of -31.92%. This is an average return of -1.28% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Netflix, our last headline reads, "Evaluation of Netflix stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Netflix stock price gained 1.13% on the last trading day, Friday, February 4, 2022, rising from $405.60 to $410.17. During the day the stock fluctuated 4.07% from a day low at $396.64 to a day high of $412.77. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 3.19% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -2 million shares and in total, 8 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.15 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $700.99, and the lowest price was $351.46. Right now the price is 41.49%, or $290.82, below 52-week high at $700.99, which also is all-time high for the stock. The Netflix stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -38.79% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -50.81% and -33.57%. The 12-month trend indicates a 11.67% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -1.26% and 97.3%. This equals a price between $405.01 and $809.29 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Monday, January 31, 2022, Citigroup set target to $595 to $450. On Thursday, January 27, 2022, Rosenblatt Securities set target to $450 to $400. On Thursday, January 27, 2022, Rosenblatt Securities set target to $450 to $400. On Tuesday, January 18, 2022, Deutsche Bank Aktiengesellschaft set target to $590 to $580. From analysts, Netflix stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Netflix stock a neutral rating. In this section, we will give you some information about signals found for Netflix. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Netflix stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $414.37 and $517.52. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 1, 2022, and so far it has fallen -10.27%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 16 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 48 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 48 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 34 days. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Netflix. Netflix finds support from accumulated volume at $397.50, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $16.13 between high and low, or 4.07%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 6.27%. The stock has a beta of 1.17. This tells us that Netflix is 0.17 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Netflix. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Netflix currently has a price-earning ratio of 17.71. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Netflix meets first resistance at $427.14. If you do not hold Netflix shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Netflix finds first level of support at $397.50, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $400.36, $396.56, $390.40. Sell at $412.69, $416.50, $422.66. The average ratings, combined from several analyst sources, for Netflix is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On February 1, 2022, Hogue J.C. made an inside buy of 136 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On February 1, 2022, Izama Mibi Sergio made an inside buy of 684 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On February 1, 2022, Kilgore Leslie J. made an inside buy of 136 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On February 1, 2022, Belmare Rodolphe made an inside buy of 137 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On February 1, 2022, St. John Bazoma made an inside buy of 126 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 25.533. In total, the insiders bought 1,371,657 and sold 814,034 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Netflix stock a buy? Netflix holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 7th, we expect Netflix to open down negative $3.64 and start trading at $406.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.